OPPO A5 2020, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first we will open IMEI number through the secret code. Let's tap on the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And that's it. As you can see, both IMEI numbers just pop up and you can come along with them easily. Tap on OK to go back, and now we will open both IMEI number and serial number through the settings. So let's click at the settings at first. Scroll down, locate and open about phone, and now locate status. Here it is, just click on it and now you can see both IMEI numbers here and then serial number at the bottom. So that would be all. This is how you can locate both IMEI and serial number in your OPPO. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.